Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can send friendship letters and Dress to Impress. So go to this mailbox, which is located like in this area. Press E, select from these three designs. I'll just select this one, and you can either select from your from messages that they already have here, or you can type it in yourself. Um, I think you are able to type it in after you selected your friend's username. So I'm just going to search here and I'm just going to randomly select somebody. And then let's do this one. And I'm just going to type in hi because I don't know what else to type. But if it's your friend, maybe you can type something else meaningful. But my friends aren't online right now. So I'm just going to say hi. And I'm just going to then send it, and you'll earn candy hearts from sending one as well. But there is a cooldown, so let me select somebody else here. So every 30 minutes, you're able to send the friendship letter. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.